Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous class, we have discussed the problems on exercise 5.2. Today, let's go for the exercise. Exercise 5.3, implicit functions. Implicit functions, we already done the problems on implicit function in the previous classes. So let us solve the problems. So let us take the first problem. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x minus y is equal to pi. So he has given the function x minus y is equal to pi. If you differentiate x with respect to x differentiation is 1. Y differentiation is dy by dx. So pi is a constant 0. Then 1 is equal to, if you shift dy by dx to the right, plus dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay. Take down the next problem. Second one. Find dy by dx if y plus sin y, if y plus sin y is equal to cos x, y plus sin y is equal to cos x. So here y differentiation is dy by dx, sin differentiation is cos y. So in the place of x here, y is there, cos y. So y is there, so we have to again chain rule, dy by dx, y differentiation is dy by dx. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Okay, if you remove common in this, dy by dx is uncommon. If you remove common dy by dx, what is the remaining here? And this 1 plus cos y is the remaining. So minus sin x in the right side. So 1 plus cos y can be sent to the denominator, minus sin x by 1 plus cos y. So this is the answer. Take down the next question. Next one, third one. Find the dy by dx. How to find the dy by dx? Has given the question 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Okay, let us differentiate. 2 is a constant, x differentiation is 1. 3 is a constant, dy by dx. Y differentiation is dy by dx. Again, sin x differentiation is cos x. You should know the formulas. Okay, then so 3 and dy by dx you keep in the left side. So send this 2 to the right side, cos x minus 2. Then again send the 3 to the denominator, cos x minus 2 by 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Let us take the next problem, fourth problem. What is the problem here? So 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Okay. So here, same problem. 2 is a constant, x differentiation 1. 3 is a constant, y differentiation is dy by dx. Then sign differentiation is cos. In the place of x, y is there. Again, you have to differentiate chain rule. You have to apply here. Dy by dx. Then shift to the right side. Then take cos to the left side. 3 dy by dx minus cos y dy by dx. Then if you shift 2 to the right side, then it is 2 minus 2. Then in this you can remove the dy by dx as in common. If you remove dy by dx as in common, what is the remaining thing? 3 minus cos y is the remainder. That is equal to minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus cos y. Take down the next problem. Take down the fifth problem. Ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Okay. So a is in constant, x differentiation is 1, b is in constant, y square differentiation is 2y. Again differentiation of y dy by dx is equal to cos y differentiation is minus sin y. In the place of x, y is there. Again you have to put here dy by dx. Okay. Then 2by dy by dx keep in the left side. Then shift the minus sign to the right side plus sin y dy by dx. Then shift a to the right side minus a. Then take common here dy by dx as in common. If you take dy by dx as in common, 2by plus sin y is equal to minus a. Then dy by dx is equal to minus a by 2by plus sin y. Take down the next one, sixth problem. Exy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Okay. So here in this problem there are two functions are there. So let us apply the product rule. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So I have applied directly, or you can write a formula. Okay. So first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Okay, then plus y square differentiation you can write, or you can apply here dy square by dx. Then again differentiation of tan x plus differentiation of y. Differentiation of y is dy by dx only. So first function differentiation of second function is dy by dx plus y as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Then y square differentiation is 2y dy by dx. Then tan x differentiation is secant square x plus dy by dx. Okay. Then shift the y to the right and take the dy by dx to the left. X dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx, then minus dy by dx. Then shift the y to the right side, secant square x minus y. If you take common dy by dx in this, so what is the remaining? X plus 2y minus 1 is equal to secant square x minus y. Then dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y by x plus 2y minus 1. take down the next problem. X square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. Okay, so x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. So x square differentiation is 2x. Then apply product rule here. I will apply directly x first function differentiation of y plus second function differentiation of first function. Y square differentiation is 2y. Y is there, so again we have to write dy by dx. So 100 is a constant, so the value of the constant is 0. So then x dy by dx keep in the left side. Then take 2y also in the left side. Then shift the 2x minus 2x becomes to the right, 2x to be shifted to the right side, and y is also shifted to the right side, and it will be minus. Then remove the common here, dy by dx is in common, so x plus 2y is equal to minus 2x minus y. So dy by dx is equal to, you can remove common, minus means 2x plus y by x plus 2y, sent x plus 2y sent to the denominator. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the next problem. 8-1, x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Okay, so if you differentiate x cube, so let us take the x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. So x cube differentiation is 3x square. Apply the product rule here. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So you have applied product rule here. Again apply product rule here in this first function differentiation of second function. Y is there, so we have to write different dy by dx. Again second function differentiation of first function. So I applied here product rule. So this is for this one product rule, and this is the product rule. Then y cube means 3y square, then dy by dx, then 81 is on constant is 0. Okay, then keep the dy by dx in the left side, x square dy by dx plus 2xy, so this and this 2xy dy by dx. Then again shift, so no shifting is there. Okay, so all dy by dx are in the left side only, 3y square dy by dx. Okay, then shift the 3x square to the right side, 3 minus 3x square, and then shift this minus 2xy, then shift y square minus y square. Then take common here dy by dx. If you remove common dy by dx in this, so what is the remainder? X square plus 2xy plus 3y square is equal to minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. Then dy by dx is equal to, remove common minus, plus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the next question. Next question, 10th one. Sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. Okay. So here he has given sin square y plus cos of xy he has given is equal to k he has given. So apply chain rule, x square differentiation is 2x, sin square differentiation is 2 sin y. Okay. 2 sin y, differentiation of sin y, we have to differentiate in the place of x there is sin y. Cos differentiation is minus sin of xy is equal to constant means 0. Then 2 sin y, so sin y differentiation is cos y. Again here y is there, dy by dx. Sorry. So yeah, so sin square differentiation is 2 sin y. Differentiation of sin y, we have to differentiate again sin y, plus cos differentiation is minus sin of xy. In the place of x there is xy, again differentiation of xy, chain rule you have to apply. Then constant is 0. Okay, then 2 sin y, sin y differentiation is cos y, again y is the dy by dx, plus into minus minus sin of xy. Again apply product rule in this. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function, that is equal to 0. Okay, then so here we can apply the multiples. So 2 sin theta into cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. So we can write here sin 2y dy by dx. Okay, that is equal to, minus, if you multiply with this, minus sin of xy into x dy by dx, then plus into minus minus sin of xy into y is equal to 0. Then sin 2y dy by dx, keep in the left side, minus sin of xy into x dy by dx, keep in the left side only, shift this to the right side, plus sin of xy into y, or y sin of xy you can write. Take common in this, dy by dx is uncommon. If you take common, sin 2y minus x sin of xy is equal to y sin of xy. So then dy by dx is equal to y sin of xy by sin 2y minus x sin of xy. So this is the answer. Take down the next problem. Sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Okay, so let us take the next problem. This is the sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. So x square differentiation, we know x square differentiation is 2x. In the place of x, here sign is there, 2 sine x. Again differentiation of sine x. Differentiation of sine x plus cos square y means 2 cos y. Again differentiation of cos y is equal to 0. Means one differentiation is 0. So 2 sine x, cos sin x differentiation is cos x plus 2 cos y. Differentiation of cos is minus sin y. Again y is the dy by dx is equal to 0. Then 2 sin x, 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. So here we can write sin 2x we can write. So plus into minus 2 cos y into sin y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, then so again we can apply here formula, then shift this to the right side, minus sine of 2y dy by dx. Applying the 2 sin theta into cos theta can be written sin 2 theta, that is equal to minus sin 2x. Then dy by dx is equal to minus sin 2x by minus sin 2y. Then minus get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to sin 2x by sin 2y.